Hello, fourth graders. Today's lesson is called Add Whole Numbers. So go ahead turn your math notebooks to the next available page, and at the top of that page write the title of today's lesson. Again, it's Add Whole Numbers. Okay, the best way to practice this skill is just to jump right into examples. So let's say we had 37,491 and we had to add that to 8,652. So the first thing you want to make sure you do as you're adding these up is make sure that you're adding the right place value position to the right place value position, which means you need to stack the numbers up with the ones places lined up, the tens place lined up, the hundreds place lined up, and so on. In order to do that, you need to make sure you line up your numbers on the right side. So let's start by writing 37,491. See, 37,491, that's this number, and we're going to put 8,652 right under it. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you the wrong way to write it. The wrong way would be to line it up here on the left, like this. Now, why would that be the wrong way to do it? Because if we tried to add that up the way it is now, we'd be lining up the thousands place of this number with the 10,000s place of the top number. We'd be adding the hundreds place of this number with the thousands place of this number, the tens place of this number with the hundreds place of this number, and the ones place of this number with the tens place of the top number, and that won't work, so we can't do that. We need to make sure we line the numbers up on the left. So the 2 in 8,652 needs to line up with the 1 in 37,491, and so on. The tens places need to line up with each other. The hundreds places need to line up with each other, and the thousands places need to line up with each other. And there's nothing that goes under the 3 in the 10,000s place because there's no digit there in the bottom number, and that's okay. Now we add these up. Now when we're adding, both of the numbers we're adding up are called addends, and the answer is called the sum. The other important thing is as we're adding this up, we just need to make careful that we regroup correctly when necessary. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2 here, that's 3. Then here we have 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. We can't fit both the digits in 14 in this one place value position, so we put the 4 here and we carry the 1 up above the hundreds place. Now we have 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Again, we have to regroup. We put the 1 here and we put the 1 in the tens place of 11, but it's actually the thousands place. We carry it up above the thousands place. And then we have 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. We put the 6 here, and we carry the 1 up above the 10,000s place. Now we have 1 plus 3 is 4. And in order to know where a comma goes, we just count ones place, tens place, hundreds place. There's a comma between the hundreds place and the thousands place. And that's the answer, 46,143. Okay, let's go ahead and do another example. Let's say we have 492,603, and we want to add that to 12,847. I'm just kind of coming up with random numbers. Let's separate that from this other example that we did here. Remember, the first thing we have to do is line up the place value positions correctly, and the way you do that is by lining up the numbers on the right side. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's the 603 in 492,603. Okay, so here we have 492,603. That's this number, and now we line up this number. We line up all the place value positions correctly. Okay, so now we have our ones place lined up, our tens place lined up, our hundreds place lined up, our thousands place lined up, and our 10,000s place lined up. And the way we make sure they're lined up is by lining up the digits on the right side. Now we just add them together, regrouping when necessary. So 7 plus 3 is 10. We carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 4 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14. The 4 goes here, we carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10, the 0 goes here, we carry the 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? So it's 505,450. Okay, so that's how you do these. Let's box that one off, and now I'm going to give you one to do independently. Okay, so I'm going to give you an addition problem, and this video will end, and I want you to solve that addition problem independently. In fact, I think I'll give you two. I want you to do both of them independently, and then you'll click on the video that's attached under this video in the Google Classroom so that you can see if you did them correctly. Okay, so let's do 643,017 plus 812,726. Okay, and then I also want you to do 79,612 plus 592. Go ahead and do both of those independently by yourself, and then click on the video attached under this video to see if you did them correctly. I will see you there. I will and I'll catch you next time. Mr. Dauber signing off.